Is your computer consuming too much of data? In this video, I'll show you simple steps how to regulate it. Watch this video from the beginning to the end. Click on the internet you are connected to. Click on Properties. Scroll down. Turn on Set as Method Connection. This has regulate your data usage. And after doing that, click on Set Data Limits to help control data usage on this network. It will bring you to this interface. Click on the Wi-Fi you are connected to. You will see the apps consuming up your data and the amount of the data they are consuming. Most apps using up your data are not necessary. There are apps running on the background. All you have to do is to regulate the apps using up your data. Go back to the previous menu. All you have to do is to set the limit to background data usage. The default is set as never. Just put it onto always. Meanwhile, you can set data usage. Click on Set Limit. Monthly reset 22. Data limits 100 units gig. I click on Save. What I'm saying is that I don't want to use more than 100 MB per month when I'm connected to this network, and Windows will help control it. You can edit or remove limits. The last step, click on Home page. Click on Update and Security. Click on Advanced Options. Turn off all updates. Received updates from other Microsoft products when you update Windows. Put it off. By doing this simple step, you will use less data. If you find this video helpful, like this video and subscribe to my channel and smash the notification bell so you won't miss out on the next video. Thanks for watching.